making Rice Krispies Ghost Pops.
And Jojo Hee Hee.
Jojo Hee Hee.
And it's a Halloween special.
Halloween special.
And Jojo Hee Hee.
What we are going to do is, it says we have to prepare, meaning we have to wash out the molds that comes inside of it. Let's see. Well, it has 2 ghost molds. I don't know if you guys can see that.
You had to put little smiley faces and all types of stuff
It
on the molds
comes
too.
with Rice Krispies.
I never put those in the mold.
It has marshmallows. And it also has
Butter.
the sticks for the pop. Some icing.
Whoosh.
And frosting. To mold it. So decorate it, I mean. And we have hand spray for our hands. So it won't stick to our hands when we have to mold.
Yeah, because these marshmallows, when we do the stuff with them, they're gonna be super sticky.
Alright guys, so
You have to melt the marshmallows down
to melt the marshmallows.
and put it with the Rice Krispies.
So that's what we're gonna do right now.
That's how it tastes.
And it's melted and all put together and the marshmallows on it.
You got to put some.
Now we have to, this is the frosting for us to decorate it. So I'm gonna cut the top of this off.
And that is the Rice Krispies.
To decorate our
I'm gonna
decorate
put it in there.
Then we have to coat our hands. We
So
have
then we
some
can pick it
coconut
up.
spray so it can be
Put
picked
it
up.
on this thing.
I'm gonna place them on here. These are the molds.
And
So,
they got the mold.
hold our hands. Come
No.
on. Open your hands. Open your
My
hands.
hands is white.
Rub them. Put them together. Now you pick up some. Pick up a
It's so
ball.
weird. Whoa, it's
Pick up some. And place it inside your mouth.
Oh, it's hard.
And put it in here. You have to make sure you press it in there. Fill up the whole thing.
I think this should fit. Ew.
Put it in there. Your side, right? Well, yours could have been on this side, but put it in there.
Right here.
Make sure you press it in there.
It's hot.
It's a little warm. Make sure once you guys cook it that you let it cool off for at least 5 minutes.
Mine.
Then once you put the mold in,
I need to wash my hands.
not yet. You get the sticks. You have sticks to make the pop. You put the stick in. And make sure you mold around your stick. Put your stick in. And make sure you put some more mold around your stick so the stick, it makes 6. So this is 1 set. So we mold it in. Make sure it's all the way in there.
If it's not all the way in there, then it's going to be pretty hard to get out.
Then pop it out. Let's see if it pops on out.
It's pretty sticky.
It's really sticky.
I think we should put a little bit more for the next batch. Oh my goodness.
It almost there.
I think we should spray the
Can I get it out?
A little bit more spray in there.
Let me go wash my
so that it could
hands so I
be
can
so it
come
could be
back.
easier to come out.
Let's see.
I think we should put more on our hands and put some more in there. It'd be way easier to come out. Cause that was hard.
Now,
Mine is broken. Mine.
Yeah, we're gonna have to make JoJo's again.
JoJo's didn't come out right. Let's see. We're gonna shape it. You can shape it up yourself. Still make it look good. And we're gonna spray this a little bit too.
So that it can be way easier to come out. Because that was super hard.
Can you spray this?
It's because all the marshmallows making it so sticky, we couldn't really do anything about that.
Yeah.
Can you spray this?
Okay.
This is how we do it.
Now we're gonna do some
Can
more.
I spray my hands?
It's still on your hands. So you get some more marshmallow.
Marshmallow?
Marshy marshmallow. This time I'll make the other ghost. Grab the gigantic ball.
Push it in, press it in and mold it.
In the mold.
Yeah, press it in the hole. So there you go. Fill it in.
Ew. Oh, it's gonna go off.
See, it's not all in there no more.
But it's still more in there. I don't know about mine.
Let me see. Well, your hands so Anthony can put his. Put some more over here, Jojo. Grab your little piece and put it in here. It's a very sticky situation.
No, we don't wash my hands.
Not yet. We're gonna make some more. We're gonna make 4. This is 4. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you gotta fill up. You gotta spread it out.
Can't spray some.
Wait.
I think we should put something on the top.
On the
On the top.
top of it.
On the top of the Rice Krispies. What should we?
Stop.
Marshmallow.
Is this the marshmallow?
Let's mold it
Is it-
again. Yeah, let's see.
Oh, puppet. Puppet. I'm a puppet.
See if it pops out better this time.
Okay.
Yep.
Way easier.
Yeah.
Because our new
I didn't even gonna break.
So spray,
apart.
coat the inside of the mold. That way it'll come out better.
Oh!
Okay.
Can I spray?
You want to do it again. I'm gonna hold your head up so it won't get in your face. Now rub your hands together. And get some more Rice Krispies.
Whoa. It's gonna turn to soap.
Whoa, it's turned on. It got way. It went from sticky and thick to like thin.
Let's see
And
if
not
it
so
turns
sticky
thick.
at all.
Get some so you put yours in there.
Let's see if it can turn thick.
Look, put it in.
What turn it thick?
You turned it thick.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Oh. That's the last
We gotta try and make them solid. Cause like if we grab 2 pieces at a time, we're gonna have a mold in the middle.
Let me put it in for Anthony.
I'll be it. Little dude.
It's finished.
Last
Oh,
one.
this is finished.
You want me to show them?
That's finished.
Set them ones right there.
And
And we put
is this 4? Is it?
6.
I don't want 6. I want it 4.
Okay. Now let's see if these come right out.
Let me pop it right
Here's
out.
the moment of
Now
truth.
that out the right.
Let me pop
Here's
it
the
out.
moment of truth. Let's see if it comes right out.
Oh no. It's gonna break apart.
Yeah, it looks like it's breaking.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, come on.
It's coming out easier, but it's.
There we go.
Oh!
Here's Anthony's.
Ah!
Now we can decorate them.
You can decorate them.
Okay.
I'm gonna put sprinkles on them.
You want sprinkles?
Me and JoJo
So
each
for
have-
our decorations,
sprinkles
we
too.
have frosting.
No, what's this?
And we have sprinkles.
I'm gonna add
And
some
we
black
also
frosting.
have black
Black
icing. So
Can I add
to
the
make a
black
ghost
frosting?
face. Okay. That's gonna be for the eyes.
And for the mouth.
Hmm.
If you want to make it look all creepy, then you can go ahead and do like,
see, that's what we
fancy designs and stuff.
Oh, you can't use it. I gotta cut it. Here, use the frosting.
I can't do it.
I gotta cut it. Okay.
And you messed me up.
Make another eyeball right here. And make a nose.
I'm gonna make mine look like Ghostface.
And you can make a mouth. Draw a mouth. That's a sad mouth? Oh, okay. Now let Anthony draw his face.
I'm gonna make mine look like Ghostface.
And I'm gonna add my sprinkles.
Add sprinkles.
Okay.
Put it
I'm
over
trying to
here.
make mine look like
Make
Ghostface.
another
Instead of
one.
looking like something Not
No,
ghost
let me
face.
get it again. No, I need it at my eyes.
Mine does not look too much like ghost face.
You putting sprinkles or not?
Yes.
I can add the sprinkles.
Try to pour a little bit. Try to pour a little bit of sprinkles, not a lot. So it won't cover up the whole face. Okay. Okay.
Where?
Then you shake it a little bit.
Why did I add the eyes?
You got to finish. Show 'em. Get it.
This is one of my finished ones.
Let me get
I'm not too good with this frosting. This is weird.
what?
Your stick came out.
Here's mine.
So many
Two
sprinkles.
more.
Jojo got a red ghost.
It's the sprinkle
There's two
apocalypse.
more to go. There's two more to go. With
One of them is mine.
Let me
one of
spread
them
it out
is
some.
yours.
Wait, let me spread the frosting. Wait.
This one is mine. The ghost face.
This one all over the place.
Nope.
oh, this is his face.
The sprinkles feel like sand.
Now let me
Okay.
add his nose up the
Now
sprinkle.
get Anthony here so he can make his face.
This is like red sand.
You gonna put something on that one?
Mhm.
Let me get the sprinkle for his nose. Mm-hmm.
This is something that turned out and it's not good.
This is his nose.
Okay.
Ah! I'm not finished.
Okay. There. Now we finished.
Thanks. Ah!
This is the finished product.
The red ghost.
All right.
Ghost man.
Well, guys, this is the end of our Rice Krispie ghost. We
Yay!
hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. And
Like,
don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment on our video.
bye.
Bye.